Hi, I'm Chien. Welcome to my startup project, Khan Academy. In my presentation, I will cover three main contents, as you can see in the table here. Let's get started with the first part. What my project is about. In Khan Academy, I aim to teach three areas of knowledge: English, soft skills such as presentation skills, teamwork skills, and self-study skills, and common knowledge about history, culture, and financial management. My target customers are parents of children above 10 because those children have almost fully cognitive development, which means they can understand abstract concepts. Many teaching centers only teach either English or soft skills independently, which I think is not effective and time-consuming. In Khan Academy, I aim to teach English, soft skills, and common knowledge all in one class. Students will be given 3 lessons a week. English will be the first priority and given 2 lessons a week. I will teach soft skills such as presentation skills along with English. Common knowledge will be the second priority and be given 1 lesson a week. Now let's move on to the second part. What makes my project different from other projects? There are 4 features that set my project apart. I'll talk about them in detail now. The first thing that sets my project apart is my PR strategies. Aside from organizing contests related to what I want to teach and reaching out to influencers, I make videos teaching English on YouTube. Before I talk about the strengths of my videos, I will point out the shortcomings of English teaching videos on YouTube. I have investigated videos on YouTube and found 3 main streams in teaching English. The first one is sharing tips and methods. The second one is flooding students with tons of words. And the third one is presenting boring lists of words. These videos mostly don't give students any insight into English and don't help students much in using English. In my videos, I will teach English with a new approach which I like to call the 3P: present, practice, and produce. Let me give you an example to illustrate my method. I want to teach students the phrase hint around. First, I will relay the content by acting out a dialogue. This is the present step. Then I give students more examples of the phrase in different contexts. This is practice step. And finally, I get students to produce sentences with the phrase hint around. This is produce step. The second difference of Khan Academy is my new approach to teaching history. Instead of merely using textbooks, I'll teach history through videos and documentaries about history. I also try to get students more engaged in the subject by organizing historical character role-playing activities and the Golden Bell Challenge. The third difference is that Khan Academy will provide transportation and after-school activities to accommodate long commutes and busy parents. Small students can stay in for extra hours after class if they don't want to get home when there's no adults home with them. The last difference is that I will create a feedback system where students and parents can give feedback on every lesson. There will be multiple choice feedback questions like how useful the lesson was and how interesting the lesson was. There will also be open-ended feedback questions like what can the teacher do better, what the teacher should not have done. A feedback system will help improve the teaching quality and services tremendously. That's all about the advantages of my project. Now comes the last part. Why you investors should invest in my project. The demand for learning English and soft skills in big cities are increasing dramatically. What's more, common knowledge about culture, history, and financial management is very useful for students' future careers. All things considered, I truly believe that my project with the advantages I've just presented will make it. Thank you for listening.